What if I told you that the fatigue you've been blaming on age, the stubborn belly fat that won't budge no matter what you try, and that foggy, sluggish feeling you wake up with every single morning, has almost nothing to do with getting older? Here's what most doctors won't tell you. There is one organ sitting quietly in your body right now, working harder than it ever has, and it is drowning: your liver. And when your liver is overworked, everything suffers. Your energy, your weight, your hormones, even your brain. But here's the part that changes everything. Your liver is the only organ in the human body that can fully regenerate itself. It is literally designed to heal. And you don't need expensive supplements or complicated protocols to help it do that. You just need to know which 5 foods to eat. Stay with me until the end, because food number 2 is the one almost nobody talks about, and it might be the most powerful liver-healing food on the planet. Today, we're breaking down the 5 best foods to clean out your liver after 50. Not a list of trendy superfoods, not a sales pitch. Real, research-backed nutrition that works with your biology, not against it. I've gone deep into the science on this, and what I found will completely change how you think about liver health, weight, and energy. Let's get into it. Why your liver matters more after 50. Before we get to the foods, you need to understand what your liver is actually doing, because most people have no idea. Your liver performs over 500 essential functions every single day. It detoxifies everything that enters your body. It regulates your hormones: estrogen, cortisol, testosterone. It activates your thyroid hormone. It produces bile to help you absorb healthy fats. It stores energy for your brain between meals. It even controls a massive portion of your immune function. And here's the harsh truth. After decades of processed food, refined sugar, seed oils, and high fructose corn syrup, your liver is not just tired. It is congested, overloaded, and when the liver gets overloaded, it doesn't just slow down. Everything slows down: your metabolism, your hormones, your energy, your ability to lose weight. The good news? The right foods can reverse this, and they can start working faster than you think. Here are the 5 best foods to clean your liver, starting right now. Food number 1, cruciferous vegetables, especially radish and arugula. Most people think of broccoli and call it a day. But if you really want to clean your liver, you need to go deeper into the cruciferous family. Here's why this category is so powerful. Cruciferous vegetables contain specific phytocompounds, natural plant chemicals, that directly assist your liver in its detoxification process. Your liver cleans toxins in 2 phases, called Phase 1 and Phase 2 detoxification. These vegetables actually activate the enzymes your liver needs to complete both phases. Think of it like giving your liver a full maintenance crew instead of just one worker. Radish is at the top of the list. It has the highest concentration of sulfur compounds of any cruciferous vegetable, and those sulfur compounds are exactly what your liver's detox enzymes run on. Arugula is your second best option, slightly bitter, and that bitterness is actually a signal. Bitter foods stimulate the liver to release digestive enzymes and bile. The more bile your liver produces, the better it breaks down fat and flushes out toxins. Also include Brussels sprouts, cabbage, broccoli, and kale. These are not optional side dishes. After 50, these are medicine. Aim for at least 1 serving of cruciferous vegetables every single day. Food number 2, eggs, especially the yolk. This one surprises people every time, and it shouldn't be on this list according to conventional wisdom. But conventional wisdom has been wrong about eggs for decades. Here's the truth. Egg yolks contain one of the highest concentrations of choline of any food on Earth. And choline is not just a nutrient. It is a direct catalyst for fat burning inside the liver itself. When your liver accumulates fat, which is exactly what happens with a poor diet, high sugar intake, and processed foods, choline is one of the primary compounds that helps your body actually remove that fat from the liver. A choline deficiency alone can cause fatty liver. That's how critical this nutrient is. But it doesn't stop there. Eggs are also rich in B6, B9, and B12, the vitamins your body needs to convert a harmful inflammatory compound called homocysteine into glutathione. And glutathione is your body's most powerful internal antioxidant. It is the liver's primary defense system. Eggs also contain methionine. a sulfuric amino acid that your body uses to produce more glutathione. And if you get pasture-raised eggs, you're also getting EPA and DHA, the exact omega-3 fatty acids your liver needs to fight inflammation. 2 to 3 pasture-raised eggs per day is one of the most powerful things you can do for your liver after 50. Don't fear the yolk. The yolk is the medicine. Now, I want to take just a moment here, because I know some of you are dealing with more than just a sluggish liver. You're dealing with years of buildup, fatigue that doesn't go away, belly fat that feels locked in, and sometimes food alone needs a little support. That's why I want to mention RELIVER Pro, a natural formula specifically designed to support optimal liver function. It contains a proprietary blend of ingredients like turmeric root, dandelion root, milk thistle, berberine, artichoke leaf, and beetroot. Many of the exact compounds we're talking about in this video, in one easy daily capsule. It's 100% natural, non-GMO, made in an FDA-registered, GMP-certified facility right here in the USA. And it comes with a full 60-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. If you want to give your liver extra support alongside these foods, check the link in the description. But right now, let's get back to the list, because food number 3 is one most people are completely ignoring. Food, SCAR 3, wild-caught fatty fish. Your liver is under constant inflammatory attack, from toxins, from processed food residue, from years of poor dietary choices. And the single most effective natural anti-inflammatory compound available to you is omega-3 fatty acids. Wild-caught fatty fish, salmon, sardines, mackerel, deliver EPA and DHA directly. No conversion required. Your liver gets exactly what it needs to reduce inflammation, balance cholesterol, and protect liver cells from further damage. Research is clear on this. Omega-3s address the root mechanism of metabolic syndrome, fatty liver disease, and cardiovascular stress, all at once. 2 to 3 servings of wild-caught fish per week. That's the target. Food number 4, dandelion, tea, leaves, or root. This one grows in your backyard, and most people spray it with weed killer. Dandelion is one of the most powerful liver herbs in existence. It is a bitter herb, and as we talked about with arugula, bitterness directly stimulates the liver to release its digestive enzymes. It also stimulates bile production, which helps the liver break down fat and flush toxins more efficiently. Dandelion root has been used for centuries specifically for liver ailments, and modern research backs it up. It reduces stress on the liver, supports bile flow, helps filter harmful chemicals from food, and has been shown to reduce fat accumulation in the liver. You can scatter fresh dandelion leaves through your salads. You can drink roasted dandelion root as a tea. It actually tastes rich and slightly coffee-like. Or you can find it in supplement form. Start your morning with warm dandelion root tea instead of a second cup of coffee. Your liver will notice the difference within days. Food number 5, extra virgin olive oil. Your liver needs fat to function, but it needs the right fat. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, the most stable, least inflammatory fat you can consume. Unlike seed oils and vegetable oils, which are processed with harsh chemicals, oxidized, and deeply inflammatory, cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil is minimally processed and liver protective. Research shows it helps reduce liver enzyme levels, lowers fat accumulation in the liver, and supports healthy bile production. Use it on your salads. Cook with it on low to medium heat. Make it your default fat. And eliminate the seed oils completely. That swap alone can make a measurable difference in your liver health within weeks. So, let's bring this all together. After 50, your liver has been working for decades. It has filtered toxins, balanced your hormones, managed your energy, and kept you alive through every meal you've ever eaten. It deserves real support. The 5 foods that clean your liver better than most supplements. Cruciferous vegetables, especially radish and arugula. Pasture-raised eggs, especially the yolk wild-caught fatty fish. For omega-3 anti-inflammatory power dandelion, tea, leaves, or root extra virgin olive oil, your liver's preferred fat. Start with 1. Add another next week. Build the habit slowly and consistently, because your liver doesn't need a dramatic cleanse. It needs daily, steady support. And if you want to accelerate that support, I'll mention RELIVER Pro one more time. It combines turmeric, dandelion root, berberine, milk thistle, artichoke leaf, beetroot, and more, all in one formula built specifically for liver health and healthy weight loss. There's a 60-day money-back guarantee, so there's genuinely no risk. The link is in the description below. Your liver can heal. It was designed to. You just have to give it what it needs. If this video gave you something useful, a new perspective, a food to try, or just the reminder that your body is still capable of change, then do one thing for me. Hit that subscribe button. We create science-backed, senior-friendly wellness content every week, built for real people, not algorithms. We'll see you in the next one. Stay strong.